Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Location by Khalid. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, E7, A minor, and D minor. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to a later portion of this lesson. So the first chord we're going to learn today is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is going to be E7. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 4th string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is E7. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's pretty easy and simple, and it's simply going to be F major for 4 beats, E7 for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, and D minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song, and it's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, pause. Down, pause, up, tap, pause. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, pause, up, tap, pause. 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 And now let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Location. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't want to fall for you, gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged, to understand that things go a little bit better when you're planning. Oh, so send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Location by Khalid. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.